Hello, it's Courtney, and today I'll be showing you how to do this miniature mountainscape face paint design inspired by the mountain emoji. I'll be using Snazaroo face paints and mixing them to create custom purple tones. To start, mix a light purple face paint mix and look directly forwards into a mirror. You need to draw 2 lines downwards from the edge of your iris that stop in line with your nose. Then join the bottom 2 lines together to create a rectangular shape below the iris of your eye. Fill in that rectangle base shape with the light purple face paint and allow it to dry. Use a pencil brush to pick up some white face paint and stipple it into the upper half of the rectangle closest to your eye to begin the clouds. Erase the harsh line created when filling in the base rectangle by running the shade Sorcery from the Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette over the lower lid of your eye and the edge of the face paints. Take a clean pencil brush and the base colour you used for the rectangle and stipple that over the areas you placed the white to begin to add depth to the clouds. Create a slightly darker purple mix and stipple that over the lower edges of the cloud shapes to create shadows. Mix an even darker tone of purple and use a thin nail art brush to line the lower edge of the individual clouds so that they stand out from one another. Create a warm toned dark purple mix and use this to add further definition to the shaded areas of the clouds. Use the darker mix of purple from a few steps ago and add it above the warm toned purple to create contrast between the darker shades. Use a thin nail art brush and white face paint to highlight over the outer edges to make them stand out even more. If you want to know how I did this makeup look, click the link above and it will take you straight to the tutorial. Create a jagged mountain shape in the lower half of the rectangle base below the clouds using a warm toned purple face paint mix. Fill in that shape with the same shade. Use the same brush to create another mountain shape in front of the purple one using black face paints. Take another nail art brush and a white face paint and highlight the tips of the mountain where the snow would settle. Blend the white down slightly to create a textured appearance. Take a very thin nail art brush and a tiny amount of black face paint and outline the back mountains to make them stand out from the background. Use the remaining product on the brush to add a line of shadow behind the front mountain. Use the warm purple mix to add further detail into the clouds. Finally, take the purple mix and add highlights to the clouds and the tips of the back mountain. And that's the finished mountain face paint look. Let me know what you thought of the makeup down in the comments, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content, and make sure to tag me in your recreations at Courtney Beauty UK on Instagram, at CourtneyBeauty_ on Twitter, and #CourtneyBeauty on all platforms. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.